Okay, we're back to our responsive web design on freeCodeCamp. We're on step 7. It says there are 6 heading elements in HTML, H1 through H6. They're used to show the importance of sections on your web page, with H1 being the most important and H6 the least. Below your P element, add an H3 heading with the text Introduction to HTML. So we're going back into our text editor here. We have our H1 at the top, which is the Welcome to Free Code Camp, which we have here is our main heading. Then we have our subheading, Full Stack Curriculum, which is here. And then under it, we have our P tag, Learn the Skills to Become a Full Stack Developer. Underneath, they want us to do an H3. And within the H3, they want us to put Introduction to HTML. And we do see that show up here. Let's check our code. And it does look like we passed. The important thing to learn from this lesson is that there are 6 heading elements, H1 being the most important, H6 being the least, and headings are used to show the importance of sections in the web page. So going back to what we've been talking about, if search engines are looking at your web page, they're going to look at the H1 as like the main point of that web page. H2 are subheadings, so they'll look at those. And as you continue, like using H3s, H4s, they are least important or less important. And it's important to categorize the content that you're creating to fit that. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.